One day, Apu came to my home and told me, "Sir, please tell me about odd numbers and even numbers." Okay? Tell me about odd numbers. ODD, odd numbers. NUMBERS. Odd numbers and even numbers. And even numbers. Okay? What is odd numbers and what is even numbers? Now look at me. Apu, odd numbers. What is odd numbers? Now the numbers. First the numbers which cannot divisible by 2. Okay, the numbers which cannot be divisible by 2 is called odd numbers. Okay, the numbers which cannot divisible by 2 is called odd numbers, or in other words, the numbers which cannot be which be formed into pairs are called odd numbers. Are called odd numbers. Look at me. First, the numbers which cannot be divisible by 2. Okay, cannot divisible by 2. Example, or you cannot make it in pairs. Example, you cannot make it in pairs. Look, some examples is 5. 5 cannot be pairs. 1 2, ये one pair हो गया. Now another pair is 2 2 to 4. This one and rest is 1. You cannot make it in pairs. Okay, so it is an odd numbers. 7 you cannot make it in pairs. Make it into pairs. Okay, and 9 you cannot make it in pairs. Make it into pairs. You cannot make it. Cannot make into pairs. आप इसे कभी जोड़ी नहीं बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो these are called like 3, like 7, 11, okay, 9, 15. Okay, these are all are called odd numbers. Okay, example, look, 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17. These are okay, odd numbers. Okay, and now we know about even numbers. Even numbers. Look here, even numbers, the numbers which can divisible by 2 by 2 are called even numbers. Or in other words, or the numbers which can be formed into pairs are called even number. Even numbers. Okay, did you understand? The number which can be divisible by 2, okay, which can divisible by 2 is called even numbers. And the numbers which can be formed into pairs, आपने उससे पेयर पेयर जोड़ी दर जोड़ी जोड़ी बना सकते हो, तो उसे आप इवन नंबर कह सकते हो. ओके, एग्जाम्पल लाइक 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, etc. Okay, so and so all are called, all these numbers are called even numbers. Okay, आप इसे पेयर भी कर सकते हो and you can make it in pairs, or and all these numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, when you divide it by 2, it will all be divisible. Okay, all will be divisible by 2. Now you understood, okay, what is even numbers and what is odd numbers. Okay, one more example. Question: write the odd numbers between 74 and 84. You know, in between 74 and 84 we found, okay, we will find which number? Odd number. 70 from 74 to 84, in between 75, 77, 79, odd numbers. Okay, look, odd numbers 81 and 83, all these numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, it cannot be divisible by 2, or you cannot make it into क्या बोलते हैं, you cannot make it into pairs. Okay, all these are called odd numbers. Now another example is 32, in between 32 and 42, odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers from in between 32 to 40, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41. Okay, all these are called odd numbers. Odd numbers. Okay, all these are called odd numbers. And write another question. We take another question. Write the even numbers between 63 and 73 and 25 and 35. Okay, even numbers you find 64, 63, next to 63, 64, and 66 and 68 and 70, then 72. Okay, and from 25, next to 25 is 26 and 28 and 30, then 32, then 34. Okay, all these numbers are called even numbers. Okay.